Welcome to Tora Motors, where luxury meets innovation, and the future of automotive excellence comes to life. Today, we're unveiling one of the most breathtaking concept luxury vehicles ever imagined, the Maybach Vision Eterna Concept. This isn't simply another luxury automobile. It's a vision of what the next generation of ultra-premium grand touring could become. Every line, every reflection, and every handcrafted detail has been designed to showcase timeless elegance blended with cutting-edge electric technology. Join us as we take an in-depth look at its stunning exterior, handcrafted interior, futuristic technology, anticipated performance, estimated pricing, and everything that makes this extraordinary concept worthy of the Maybach name. The very first glance reveals pure automotive art. Finished in an incredibly deep, glossy black metallic paint, the Vision Eterna radiates sophistication from every angle. The bodywork appears sculpted from a single piece of polished metal, while elegant bronze and gold metallic accents create a striking contrast against the mirror-like black finish. Dominating the front is Maybach's iconic illuminated grille, surrounded by intricate chrome detailing and ultra-slim digital light LED headlamps that produce an unmistakable lighting signature. The long flowing hood, perfectly balanced proportions, and sleek coupe-inspired silhouette give the vehicle a commanding yet graceful presence. From the side, the Vision Eterna demonstrates exceptional aerodynamic efficiency. Hidden flush door handles, frameless windows, sculpted character lines, and massive turbine-inspired bronze alloy wheels combine to create a design that looks both futuristic and timeless. Every surface has been carefully shaped to improve airflow while maintaining the unmistakable elegance expected from flagship Maybach. The rear is equally spectacular. A full-width crystal LED light bar stretches across the entire width of the vehicle, while illuminated Maybach lettering and a beautifully integrated rear diffuser complete a design that feels more like a luxury sculpture than a conventional automobile. Whether displayed inside an exclusive showroom or arriving at a five-star hotel, the Vision Eterna demands attention without ever appearing excessive. Opening the doors reveals an interior that completely redefines automotive luxury. Rather than feeling like a traditional cabin, the Vision Eterna welcomes its occupants into a private executive lounge. Every surface is wrapped in premium handcrafted Napa leather, complemented by open-pore walnut wood, brushed bronze trim, crystal-inspired switchgear, and sustainable luxury materials. The attention to craftsmanship is extraordinary, with every stitch and every panel reflecting the precision of master artisans. 4 individually sculpted executive seats provide world-class comfort through heating, ventilation, massage, memory settings, and full reclining functionality. Rear passengers enjoy airline-inspired executive seating with extendable leg rests, folding business tables, wireless charging, refrigerated beverage storage, and personalized climate controls, transforming every journey into a first-class travel experience. Technology plays an equally important role. A seamless pillar-to-pillar OLED display spans the entire dashboard, intelligently integrating navigation, entertainment, vehicle controls, and an advanced AI-powered digital assistant. Safety would represent another major highlight. The Vision Eterna could feature next-generation autonomous driving technologies supported by LiDAR sensors, radar systems, high-resolution cameras, and artificial intelligence capable of continuously analyzing the surrounding environment. Intelligent adaptive cruise control, predictive emergency braking, lane centering assistance, blind spot monitoring, automated parking, collision avoidance systems, and advanced occupant protection technologies would combine to establish one of the most sophisticated safety platforms ever imagined for a luxury automobile. Naturally, exclusivity comes with a premium price. Since the Maybach Vision Eterna is currently a concept and not an officially announced production vehicle, no confirmed pricing exists. However, considering the craftsmanship, advanced technology, and exclusivity envisioned for this flagship concept, industry expectations suggest a potential production value ranging between $400,000 and $600,000, with bespoke editions and highly personalized commissions potentially exceeding $750,000. Ultimately, the Maybach Vision Eterna Concept represents more than a luxury vehicle. It represents a vision of tomorrow, where handcrafted elegance, intelligent technology, sustainable electric performance, and timeless design exist in perfect harmony. It demonstrates how the future of ultra-luxury mobility could preserve traditional craftsmanship while embracing the most advanced automotive innovations ever created. Thank you for joining us on Tora Motors. If you enjoyed this exclusive showcase of the magnificent Maybach Vision Eterna Concept, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications so you never miss our latest luxury car reviews, future concept showcases, and premium automotive content. Until next time, keep exploring the extraordinary with Tora Motors, where the future of luxury begins today.